In this week's court report, a formal complaint was filed Monday in the case of Jason Gall versus Nye County regarding a seized laptop and pornographic videos found on it. Former Nye County Sheriff Anthony DeMeo, former Captain William Beck, and David Berukowitz, former detective and current sergeant, are named as co-defendants. Gall contends that Berukowitz seized a laptop computer he owned as part of an investigation into Gall's alleged possible criminal activity. The laptop was taken by Berukowitz back in 2012, and when he reportedly viewed videos in its database, many were allegedly discovered to be pornographic in nature, including images of Gall having sex with his then-girlfriend. Though no witness is named, the complaint also claims that Berukowitz showed the pornographic videos to other sheriff's office personnel, including his then-supervisor, former Captain Beck, who was reporting directly to Sheriff DeMeo. According to the complaint filed by attorney Thomas Gibson, Berukowitz called the plaintiff's girlfriend to tell her that he took pleasure in viewing her engaging in sexual relations and that he masturbated to the videos. The unidentified woman also said Berukowitz told her he downloaded the video to his cell phone so he had constant access. Attorney Gibson says the plaintiff did not give permission to the defendants to use the content in his laptop. Gall is seeking damages in excess of $10,000 for each cause of action. Calls to Sergeant Berukowitz and NCSO requesting comments on this case were not returned. James Earl Marshall has a sentencing hearing scheduled in district court on March 18th regarding charges of possession of child pornography. James Earl, who was arrested back in March 2012, is the brother of former Nye County Assistant Sheriff and former candidate for sheriff Rick Marshall. James was reportedly arrested after then-Sheriff's Detective Berukowitz learned from the Internet Crimes Against Children Task Force that child porn had been downloaded to an IP address subsequently linked to James Marshall's Internet service account. In August 2014, Marshall's attorney, Thomas Gibson, filed a motion accusing Berukowitz of possibly planting evidence in the case. However, in September 2015, Marshall pleaded guilty as part of a plea agreement. Attorney Gibson and Sergeant Berukowitz have a litigious, sometimes contentious history which extends beyond these two cases. Donald McFadden appeared in court again on Thursday to continue answering to several charges after being caught on the run. Court clerks say officials in McFadden's case are now in global negotiations. McFadden was arrested on January 16th at a residence in the 300 block of Irene. During the arrest, McFadden was allegedly found in possession of methamphetamine. The 34-year-old suspect had reportedly been at large for several months and was sought on numerous warrants for failing to appear in court. McFadden has a case pending in district court with a status hearing scheduled for March 31st. His bail was previously set at $16,280. McFadden was remanded back to custody of the Nye County Detention Center. A status check was held Monday for Diane Davis regarding charges of first-degree arson and torturing, injuring, and abandoning animals after a fire set inside her home on July of 2013, which reportedly killed 17 dogs. Davis's next court date in this case, a calendar call, is set for May 23rd. Davis is also charged with burglary, obtaining and using personal ID, and offering false instrument for filing in a separate case that's scheduled for jury trial on March 29th. This has been your court report. I'm Unette Gentry for News 46.